Sting 3D Technology Company Limited is a manufacturer which is focusing on the research and development and production of new functional 3D printing filament. Sting 3D has an annual production capacity of FDM filaments with an annual output of 1.5 million rolls. Sting 3D has more than 40 patents, including high-resilience basketball filament, STTPU, FPLA+, STPVA, ST carbon fiber, and PLAHS, ABS, which have special functions and hot selling in Europe, the United States, Korea, and other countries. Sting 3D won the best-selling 3D printing filament in Korea in 2023. It provides OEM and ODM services for many famous 3D printing equipment manufacturers. Sting 3D uses its own 3 online detections and control patented technologies to ensure that the 100% accuracy of 3D filament is controlled at plus-minus 0.02 millimeters to ensure stable quality and high-tech products. Sting 3D is supplying filaments to more than 100-plus different brands of OEM customers, including many Amazon or Walmart customers. Sting 3D specialize in supplying OEM products to customers with full sets of services that customer needs. Sting 3D can supply better quality products with the right prices to your own brand, and you can just concentrate on selling products with good profit.